Sa nakaraang linggo ay nakaranas po tayo ng lindol at masasabi naman natin napakatibay dahil kahit isang crack ay wala po tayong makikita.
Bohol seemed like a really good location to enjoy. The island seems really well off. I think it's clean. I think it's really neat. It was a really amazing experience, right? And the nature is stunning.
And each time I drove past, going home from the city or whatever, I come past and there's always progression. There's always something new. It wasn't just like that little part, but the steeples were put up or the fence was put up or the surroundings were beautified. So there's always something happening. And the workers here, they just tremendous workers, unbelievable. Even though it's built quickly, it's built correctly. Because I saw there's different stages of when it was built. And each time was just a blessing. Each time they say, wow, it's progressing so much, And then it comes to fruition and all of a sudden we got worship service. We go, wow, how things happen from the dirt up.
Sa lahat po ng proyektong ginagawa ng Iglesia ni Cristo, bilang project engineer, tinitiyak ko po nasusunod po yung National Building Code at saka yung National Structural Code of the Philippines. Pagka nasusunod naman, batay sa plano at batay sa specifications ng materials na hindi substandard, dumating man yung kalamidad, kung mayroon mang defects na magaganap o mangyayari, napaka-minor po ng damage.
Sa nakaraang linggo ay nakaranas po tayo ng lindol at masasabi naman natin napakatibay dahil kahit isang crack ay wala po tayong makikita. Hinahangaan ko po ang mga kapatid natin sa Iglesia ni Cristo Engineering and Construction Department dahil sa matatag, napakaganda at napakapulidong pagkakagawa. Ang gusaling sambahan po ng Iglesia ni Cristo dito po sa lokal ng Panglao.
Kitang-kita po natin kung paano sininop ng pamamahala ng iglesia ang bawat handog ng mga kapatid. Ito pong lokal ng Panglao ay napakatibay. Obvious po na mamahalin yung mga materialis na ginawa, mga puro po di kalidad. Sa kabubuan po ay napakaayos, napaka-standard po at higit pa.
It could be a main attraction of Panglao kasi architectural design is really good.
Hindi lang sa bayan ng Panglao, kundi maging sa buong lalawigan na ng Bohol.